Hi, everybody. I am doing another review, and this one is a lighted tree. I got the lighted vine for the bedroom previously, and I wanted to review the lighted tree. And this came all sealed shut. I got it in pretty good time. I think it was a couple of weeks, and I got it. It says it is shipped from Jamaica, New York. So this is how it comes in from Twinkling Tree. And it has this nice box. I ordered two of them. I got one for the dining room and one for the living room. I'm just trying to kind of create an ambiance in the house. What can I say? Um, Enchant your space, it says on the inside of the box, and it's all in nice paper. In case you wanted to get this as a gift for somebody, it has this base with it, and it looks like it's the same as the vine on the wall, and that it has a USB end on it that you're going to actually plug into a USB cord. And we have that. We got that. It's just a little extension attachment connector that you can buy that will plug into an outlet, but it has the USB end on it. So here is the base for the tree. And it's made in China. And it's got this backing to it. Let me see if it'll also take batteries. I can take this back off and check. Yes, it takes batteries. Looks like it takes 3 AA's. So that's another way that you can power your tree. So let's get this thing set up. I want to see how pretty this is going to be. I'm going to put this big stack on the bottom. So it has 3 different settings, steady on, timer, or off. So it has 3 settings. And it doesn't really have anything in the package to explain the timer. So I don't know how long the timer lasts. And it comes in like this. Looks like a birch tree, and it looks like it's tape. It looks just like the vine on the wall also looks like tape that's put on the product. And you just have to unbend the branches to make it look how you want it to look. And it has the little lights on the end of the tree limbs. And I don't know how long they last because I don't use my lights on the wall all the time. They're not on all the time. So I really, they probably are going to last for a while because they're not constantly on. Now, these trees might be on more often because they're out in the main area where we are all the time. And it's going to be really pretty at night, or if you're watching TV and you want to close the curtains and turn these on while you're watching movies or streaming something. That's what I'm thinking of for these. So I'm just unbending all these branches as they probably just bend them so they can ship them out. So here's an example. Probably do a better job than me making this work. And then I'm going to plug it in. I'm going to turn the light off in here to help a little bit. Since it's not nighttime, maybe I can show off the light a little bit better. So I'm going to plug it into the base. It has the bottom so it can connect. It's plugged in. And this plugs into the back of the base. And I'm going to plug it into my laptop here. Okay, I'm going to hit on. Oh, it's pretty. Very pretty. I wish it was dark. What I'll do is I'll probably take a picture of this at night or a video of this at night, and then I will actually include that in the video when I post this. So I like it. How tall is it? Maybe 2 feet. And I'm happy with the product. I like it. I think it's going to look really cute. I'm probably going to add some other lights too. I'm going to add some blue lights. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.